Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I'm gonna try to keep this short because nobody cares about these shoes anymore. And to explain my whole issue, if you haven't seen the video that I uploaded last weekend, I was in a really terrible car accident a couple of months ago. They counted me out, but after I'm happy to be alive. When I woke up, I've done a lot of shopping, a lot. Some things that I don't even care about at all. There are some of the shoes that I won't even bother talking about. I didn't even want any of them, I think. Well, I like the Four Lab 11s, the red ones. And these are a OG colorway, but otherwise, this was just a waste of money. So, I believe one of the first pairs of shoes that I bought when I woke up, I might be wrong, was these, the Air Jordan 1 Taxi. And I really don't care about them. Good looking shoe, but I'm irritated that I paid resale for them. I don't understand that at all. The first thing that made me want them, of course I like the Air Jordan 1, but they had a release date September 24, which is my birthday. So it would be a nice 40-year birthday gift to myself. But they were released earlier here in Europe. So when I woke up, I had already missed them. Yeah, they were already dropped. And I don't remember after that. Anyway, so I wanted them for my birthday, September 24th. So I got them and paid resale. And nothing special at all. People claim that the leather is as good as shattered backboard. No, it's not. The white leather on the side is good, but as I said in earlier videos, leather with that color, let me see where I got those. The sail color, that leather is always great. These shoes you should have. But they don't look bad, not at all. We call them Taxi because of the yellow color. It's supposed to be the same yellow as the taxis in USA. But nothing special. And I don't think there were any hype about them. So I believe I paid 250 or 255 euro. That is way too much. Way too much. So that's the reason why I'm not so super happy about them. And yellow shoes, I don't think I have any yellow shoes. Of course I have Wu-Tang shoes, and yeah, black and yellow is Wu-Tang colors, but I don't wear yellow. I don't mind it, but I don't wear it. It's really cool that the box is the same colorway as the sneakers, because if you don't have boxes like these, that is great. Because when we all have these, or all Jordan boxes or Nike boxes looks the same, it's really hard to know what kind of shoes it is, because you don't have the nickname on the box. So these colorful color matching boxes I like, but these are actually called, on the box it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG UK 11 Taxi and Black Sail. But that is from the store that the other guy bought them from. So if I would get them for the retail price, and I actually think that this was the old retail price before they bumped it up here in Europe, that would be nice, because then the retail were like 170 euro, but 250 euro, nah. But it's not an ugly looking shoe, absolutely not. It's just that I don't wear yellow, and I hate to pay resale, and yeah, probably comfortable because the leather is soft. The leather is sort of fake crumbled, so it would look softer than it is. I'm gonna show that to you closer because this is not correct, but nice shoe, absolutely. I know that if this was some kind of collab or some kind of hype behind it, people would go nuts over these because of the leather. So yeah, I'm sort of happy that I have them. I could do without them. I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna go on to the next pair of shoes. I have bought much more than these, what was on the table, but I think I have 4 or 5 pairs at my parents' house, and I don't even remember what I bought. Thanks for watching.